Before you tow, preparation is everything. A few checks can prevent major accidents.
Don't forget your trailer tires. Check pressure, cracks, and dry rot, even if tread looks good. Ensure lug nuts are torqued correctly, and inflate your tow vehicle tires for towing. Towing adds stress. Check oil, brakes, coolant, transmission fluid, and trailer brakes too. Always match the hitch ball to the trailer coupler. Wrong size is a leading cause of accidents.
Carry a trailer spare, the right lug wrench, and a jack that actually fits your trailer. Cross your safety chains. They create a cradle if the trailer disconnects. Test all trailer lights, running, brake, turn, and hazards before you roll. Use tow mirrors for visibility, and always mount hitches to the vehicle frame, not the bumper.
Towing burns more fuel. Plan ahead and always use wheel chocks when unhitching. Tow smart, check everything, and make every trip a safe one.